Hello, this is our magic teapot. It pours whatever color we want it to. Well, I'll show you how it works. Pink. Okay, let's do another one. I want to say green. Green, okay. No, let's add some yellow and some orange too in there. Cool, is it? So you take a turn. Blue. Green. No, yellow. Okay, I'll say maybe purple. This is my magic teapot. It pours whatever color I want it to. Okay, I'm gonna say red. Cool. Okay. What should I do this time? Ooh, let me do a mixture of colors this time. Green, orange, and yellow. Okay. This time I'm gonna do pink. Okay, now I'm gonna do blue. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna do a nice lavender color. And for this last one, I'm gonna do green. No, yeah, green. No, yellow. Okay. Okay, you wondered how I did that? Well, the teacup isn't actually magic. It doesn't pour what I actually want it to. But there's little bits of things on the bottom. In the red, there's the bottom of the red, there's a stain remover. On the bottom of the green, orange, and yellow is some drain cleaner. Under the pink is this vinegar. Under this blue is baking soda. Under this purple is laundry detergent. And under this green, no, yellow, is bleach. So, but how, in our teapot, we have some water, and it's mixed in, but it's called indicator, and it has red cabbage in it, and I'll teach you how to make it later in the video. Now here's the science part of it. Okay, let me move these over. Okay, so the science part of this is acids and bases and neutrals. Okay. In my notebook, I made a chart of acids and bases. And this is all controlled by something called a pH level. On my chart, you can see that there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The 0 through 6 is something called acids. Number 7 is something called neutrals. And 8 through 14 is something called bases. pH level means pH stands for power of hydrogen. So each number is divided by 10
It's 10 times more acidic.
It's 10. So pink is 10 times more acidic than salmon color is. But pink, because we would use hot sauce for pink.
So say a pH score of 3.
A pH score of 3 is 10 times more acidic than a pH score of 4.
Very good. What about bases?
Same with bases. Just bases are the opposite way. So a pH level of 9 is 10 times more basic than a pH level of 8. Mm-hmm. You got it? Okay. So acids and base, so you got that part down. But how did I make these into different colors? I'm going to tell you now. And there's something called, so our indicator is a blue color. And so if I just had something neutral like water, and I put it in a cup, and I put my indicator in, then it would just be the plain indicator, which would be a blue color. So, okay, now I'm going to talk about acids. The more acidic something is, the more red it is. So if something is something like laundry detergent, like this, it's an acid, but it's about a 6. But it's about a 6, and it's a light purple color called lavender. And so this is acidic, but it's less acidic than something like vinegar, which we use to make the pink. Now, the pink color was made out of vinegar, but the red color that we made, which we made out of our stain remover, is 10 times more acidic. Is about 20 times more acidic than vinegar, or maybe 15. Cool. Okay, let's talk about bases. So it starts as a purple color. So the more if it's the least acidic thing is this, a lavender color. And in between is a pink color like this. And the most acidic color that we have is a red color. And you can just keep getting darker and darker the more acidic a thing is. Now you couldn't make this color actually because you need battery acid to use it, but if we were able to use battery acid, then it would make a really dark maroon color because battery acid is super acidic. Okay, let's move on to bases. Bases are, green is the basic color, but sometimes the green is a bluish color, so you can think of the blue. So we made the least acidic thing that we have is this blue that we made out of baking soda.
Basic, you mean?
The most basic.
Least basic.
Least basic. and something in the middle like our bleach, which we used to make the green now yellow, is in the middle, and something really basic is something like Drano, a drain cleaner. Cool, isn't it? Now that I've explained about acids and bases, you can go ahead and watch the next part of the video, which will be how to make the indicator. So you can do this experiment yourself. See you then. Hi, it's the Arave Bros, and we're gonna make the indicator. So we have this red cabbage here. We're just gonna break it into little pieces and throw it into the pot.
Till it's like halfway full.
Yeah, because the cabbage is gone.
Till most of the cabbage is gone. I put a big piece in there. There's a big piece just right here.
Yeah, tear that up, Arch.
Yeah. So.
I'm not doing it anymore.
Let's flip it. We can do this side.
This is hard.
Guys, I need
We don't need it.